As dawn breaks, the journey of sugar begins deep within sprawling cane fields.
Precision harvesters cut through dense stalks with unmatched efficiency. Freshly cut cane feeds directly into trailers that shadow every movement. Each load is captured instantly to preserve the cane's natural sweetness. Tractor convoys move continuously, creating an unbroken flow from field to mill.
All right, driver, you are within the limit. Have a safe trip.
Every load is recorded in real time to balance refinery intake. The route is designed for non-stop flow, ensuring cane stays fresh before crushing.
The refinery stands ready, a sprawling network designed for non-stop extraction.
Every truck is registered and logged before crossing into the industrial zone.
Detailed measurements ensure accurate cane-to-sucrose calculations. Inside the refinery, the journey accelerates from raw material to refined crystal. Massive tilt systems empty tons of cane within seconds to keep the refinery in motion.
Freshly delivered cane forms temporary stacks before entering the processing stream.
Heavy machinery feeds the first conveyor, marking the true start of factory operations.
Kilometers of conveyors move raw cane across the refinery like arteries in a living machine. Powering everything are boilers, generating steam that drives crushing mills and turbines. Inside these walls, thousands of moving parts convert raw cane into pure sugar.
Before crushing, every stalk is stripped of soil, stones, and field debris.
Pressurized water systems scrub off the last traces of the field.
Shredders increase surface area, letting mills extract more sucrose with each rollout.
Once shredded, the cane transforms into a uniform mat ready for separation.
Air knives and suction hoods refine the material to mill-grade purity. Powerful rollers extract juice by applying relentless mechanical pressure. This raw juice carries the sucrose that will become refined sugar.
What remains becomes bagasse, a vital fuel for the refinery itself.
Multiple milling stages maximize extraction efficiency. Imbibition washes every last trace of sucrose from the fibers. High-capacity pumps move juice toward purification without delay. Controlled heating prepares the juice for chemical clarification. With impurities removed, clarified juice moves forward for concentration.
Evaporators remove water using cascading heat efficiency.
As water leaves, syrup grows dense with dissolved sugar. Once crystallized, the mixture moves towards separation. Automation ensures consistent feeding for precise moisture removal. Careful heat dries crystals without damaging their structure. Sensors constantly adjust airflow and temperature. Cooling stabilizes crystals for downstream handling. Vertical transport keeps production compact and efficient.
The power fluctuations on sector gamma are exceeding tolerance levels.
I see that. Rerouting auxiliary power now to compensate.
A centralized brain synchronizes thousands of automated actions.
Smart routing adapts production in real time.
Precise sizing ensures uniform crystal performance. Out-of-spec grains are efficiently recycled.
Minute additives preserve free-flowing quality. Polishing refines texture and appearance. Blending guarantees consistency across every batch. Final safeguards protect product integrity.
Ensure these are processed by the automated system immediately. The data confirms the priority status.
Quality control begins with precise laboratory verification. Moisture levels are measured down to the smallest fraction, Uniform crystal structure defines refined sugar quality.
Optical testing confirms brightness and purity. Every batch is checked for complete chemical compliance.
Microbial testing ensures absolute food safety. Only approved sugar advances beyond this point. Precision packaging prepares sugar for global distribution.
Automation stacks thousands of bags with flawless consistency.
And this is how modern factories produce sugar from start to finish.
Logistics systems coordinate the final movement.
Back it up slowly, watch the pallet on the left. Copy that, almost clear.
From warehouse to wheels, delivery begins.